This is a very ambitious project that has been initiated by the ministry through the backing of the national government, and we have started early last year, and now we are on the next financial year. As you aware, we have planted more than 2.3 million trees so far, and this week I'm visiting the district of Malomalo, which comprises 7 villages. And today we have visited 3 villages, and what's really interests me is the interest from the community. They want to participate, and they have mentioned during our consultation there are plans for them to work with the Ministry of Forestry or government in planting trees to achieve our target in 15 years.
Dalam batu mayata.
Cuidado, socorro carranga. Ahí está, todo el mundo en serie.